Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the LG G8s ThinQ. So first of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone or whatever letters you have on your phone, the positions as well as the symbols I will show you right now will be always the same. So just follow carefully. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings. So it is that symbol here. Tap it. So then we are on the settings, and on the first row we decide which part of the settings we need. We need the last point here, general. So tap on general. So, and then we have to scroll down a bit until we have the point language and keyboard. So that thing is in the last point, so system is the second point of the system, and it has a green field with a A in it, with a big A, so in a capital letter A. Sorry for my English. So we need that point here, so language and keyboard. Okay, and then we will need the first point, language. So, and if we are here, you could have maybe already a list of some languages here, and in case your language is part of that list, you just go on the language you want to choose, in our case the English with the dialect of the United States. You go on the 3 lines here, hold it and remove your finger, and now the English from the English from the United States is our main language now on the phone. In case your language is not part of that list, you can add here below a language. So, as I said, it's always the same. Also, if you have different letters or different languages, the positions and the symbols are always the same. So, and now you can look for the language you want to have. Maybe let's keep going on with English. Let's choose the dialect maybe from New Zealand. And now English with the dialect of New Zealand is part of our list. And as I told you, we go here on the 3 lines to put it on the first position, leave the finger, and now the English with the dialect of New Zealand is our main language of the phone. As you can see, very simple at the end. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in a major, subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And yo, maybe until next time. Ciao.